Hello guys, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. On this happy day, I will review a JBL 4429, which dimensions are as follow. Almost the same height as half an adult. The main woofer speaker is type 1200 FA8. Looks like this speaker very sturdy and very powerful. The speaker input terminal can use two amplifier or one amplifier which the two wires connected in parallel. I will present a schematic diagram of the JBL 4429 crossover. The three-way system are woofer, mid-range, and tweeters. And basically, in this crossover, there are only a few passive components such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors. It has a three-way crossover as well as which divide into those speakers. I do not recommend holding the glass wool in the crossover as it makes your hand itchy. Even a novice technical can make a schematic and make this crossover finished product because it looks like very easy to make manually. There are two potentiometers on the tweeters and mid-range. Function is to reduce and signal for amplitude of the audio signal that want to enter the speaker. The used price of this JBL 4429 loudspeaker is around $1,800 per pair. Now this speaker unit has been discontinued. Maybe someone has one that will sell it. History: the JBL Model 4429 studio monitor speaker looks a great deal like many of the loudspeakers made in 1970. The JBL 4429 studio monitor introduced in 1970. And finally, thank you for watching. See you later.